Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to do my everyday routine makeup tutorial, which is going to be like mostly warmer tones and with a little bit of shimmer. So guys, you stay in tune and let's get into the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Good morning beauties, welcome back to my channel. Mine is Transformation by Celeste. In today's video we're going to transform ourselves into some makeup as always. So this is the look I achieved. Something very cool, simple, but also sexy. But I love this look and it do kind of match my little shirt. But it's not too bold, it's not too much. So I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this look. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Okay, so I already put my Vaseline, which I treat as my primer, on my face. So I kind of let it soak in a little bit over time. So I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this look. So I'm going to take my favorite eyeshadow palette, which is the Nude Me by I Envy. If you guys haven't gotten this eyeshadow palette, you guys need to. It's on ivyusa.com, and they have two more, so I'm thinking about getting the other two so I can showcase you guys that one. So I'm going to take the color dark brown, which is the color hard, and I'm going to apply it in the outer corner of my eye, and I'm going to kind of just apply it, and I'm just going to I guess shade in, blend in. And I'm going to blend it all the way out and then like towards the middle of my eye, so you guys can see the transition of the colors. So that's how I did that one. I'm going to go and switch to my other eyeshadow palette by I Envy, which is the Rainbow Me, and I'm going to use the white color here, which is called Pure, and I'm going to blend that in the inner corner of my eye. So I'm just going to do that so it can give you that transition effect. And apply. And I'm going to go back with that dark brown, but I'm just going to kind of like bring it inward more, like I have the other side. The lashes I am wearing in this video is I Envy lashes, the Velux Noir de Noir Coupon, which is one of my favorite lashes. It gives you the length and it's not too thick, and it just looks very natural. And I'm going to use Ruby Kisses I Envy eyeliner tattoo, which is the Blackest Black, which is one of my favorites because it goes on very easily. I'm just going to apply here. And I know I apply my makeup on with my lashes, and I do clean it up because I have them on very tight. So most of the time I can't take them off. So I know everybody said, why she's doing makeup with her lashes on? Because I have them on there really tight, and you guys see how I apply them. So I don't try to rip them off my eyes, so I just leave them on. So I sleep in my lashes, which is easier for me because it saves up more time and energy. So I don't have to fight trying to apply lashes on. But I'm kind of used to putting lashes on because it look, it's very natural and it's easy. So it just depends on the time. So, but this save more time for me. I'm just blending in the liner and just bringing it in. So this is one of my favorites. If you don't have this one, please go get it, and it's a very reasonable price. So get this one. My favorite is concealer and foundation time. So I'm going to use my favorite concealer, which is Mocha, the 2-in-1 foundation by Absolute New York, and this is number 07. I'm going to apply it under my wing, and I'm going to just, I'm just going to fix that. I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. If you make a mistake, it's okay. It's not the end of the world. All you gotta do is go back in just carefully. Take your time. Don't rush. Don't have a panic attack like most of the time I do, but it's okay. And I'm gonna use my golden And I'm going to apply that in my inner corner of my eye. And I'm going to use my mocha again, but I'm going to put it around my lip area because I want my lips to look really nice and plump. So I want it to look like the Bratz doll. Just kind of like outlining, and I'm just going to just blend it all the way out. And I'm going to use my concealer again. So I'm just trying to keep like light and medium dark together, so because my skin tone is mixed with two colors, like dark light, but so I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna use my e.l.f. setting spray, the coconut mist, which is one of my favorites. I gotta buy me some more, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to use the rest of this before I buy more. And I'm just going to let that sit, and while I'm letting that sit, I'm gonna go back in with my Rainbow Me eyeshadow palette. The Rainbow Me eyeshadow palette, and the color I'm going to use is called Lucky Charm, which is a glitter base, and I'm going to apply it here. So it's kind of giving an effect. It's natural, but it had like a shimmer greenish color, so I want my makeup to kind of stand out. And that's all I did, and I'm going to go ahead and blend my concealer and foundation out with my brush, and I'm going to blend it. So you see that? And you can always fix your makeup no matter what. And just blending all the way to the chin and my lips. Blending, blending, blending. I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses deep brown. I'm going to apply it under here. I usually use black, but when I use black by itself, it don't look right, make my eyes look funny. So I see that the brown look better for me. So I'm just gonna apply that. It enhances my eyes out more versus the black. And I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Mascara, which is one of my favorites as well. And I'm going to apply. I just like using the end. Okay. And this is it. I'm going to show you guys the finished results. Alright, beauties, this is the final look. I hope you guys did enjoy my content. I had a very fun time doing the makeup look. So it's very simple. It's not too dark. It's kind of light. Just all needs dark brown, white eyeshadow. You can use any type of glitter on top that's light, that's not too bold. And that's it. And then you can use a dark brown eyeliner, or you can use a white eyeliner. And that's it. I hope you guys really did enjoy my content. Just having lots of fun. And I want to say, guys, let's get up to 11,000 subscribers. We're making it big. We're doing it big. We're going to continue on striving and evolving. We're not going to let no one hold us back or hold us down or tell us what we can or cannot do. And it's the same like with the TikTok thing. We got to stick together and voice our opinions, because it's helping a lot of us with our incomes. And also, yes. Also, guys, don't forget to comment down below in my videos, shorts or full-length videos, to tell me what you guys would like. And also, you guys can do a challenge with me. So, I will see you guys in my next video. And I will see you. Bye. Have a blessed weekend. Okay, beauties, that is the final look. These are the looks that I achieved, which are warmer tones. And I want to give a shout out to Malik Laidlaw, one of my transformation subscribers, well, my family, who wanted me to explore more of warmer tones of makeup, and I definitely did. So hopefully you guys did get to see my makeup tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let's get up to 11,000 subscribers, and I'll see you next time. Bye.